Made in China.
Here we have Michael opening up some Pokemon trading card game. You get 3 balls in a pack. They're quite nice little displays.
They are nice, aren't they? Cool with sticker sheets as well.
Oh.
No, I don't care about stickers.
So, you know, I'd be nicking them then.
Yeah.
The sticker thief.
What, yeah?
No, I'm not a sticker thief. So pretty cool.
Well, I don't know.
So how many cards do you get in them?
You get 10 cards in a pack.
What, 10 in a ball?
No, you get 3 in a ball.
Right.
And you get 10 in each pack.
Oh, 10 cards in each pack?
Yeah.
So 3. Alright. So how many balls have you opened?
I've opened 2 so far.
Oh, right,
I
okay.
think 3.
What are them cards down there?
These ones, I don't actually know what these are. I think these are stickers as well. Yeah, if they're stickers.
Yeah, I might like them ones.
Oh, okay, they come in these. I didn't even realise.
What's that?
These, they come in these.
Oh, okay. They're all different.
Yeah. I don't know anything about Pokemon, I just play the games. I got bored one day and wanted to buy a bunch of cards, so.
How much are they in a box?
I think it was like 20 quid a box.
So,
Yeah.
I've got six balls, 3 packs in each ball, and 10 cards in each pack.
Yeah, so it's 19. $18 packs in total, so 190 cards.
Yeah.
And then I bought, what's it? Another 8 packs upstairs that I'll open with these. So they arrived yesterday, but I didn't open them. So.
Well, you got another one came yesterday. Oh,
Yeah,
in the
I
flat
got
pack, yeah.
Yeah, I got the 8 packs yesterday.
Yeah.
I'm also very ill, as you couldn't tell.
Eh?
So I'm also ill, very.
Yeah, run down.
It's ready.
Yeah, no, can't do anything about that.
Oh.
I'll leave it a minute anyway.
It's actually much bigger than I thought they were.
I only want you to open a packet.
Well, I'm opening them all together, so.
Yeah, I know, but my dinner's cooking.
I'll just pause it. Oh, sorry.
Oh, until you open them?
Yeah.
Right. Right, just pause it a sec.
So I opened the ones I got yesterday first.
Right.
Now, I don't know anything about Pokemon cards, I just like the artwork. I have no idea how to play.
You just watch the TV show then?
Yeah. I also play the games, and that's the extent of my Pokemon. I can't even open them.
Was that the show with Ash as the trainer?
Yeah, so
Yeah.
Energy,
And Team Rocket?
Skunkfish.
Yeah.
Dalmine. So these are all Sword and Shield from. These Sword and Shield? Yeah, Sword and Shield. Energy. Oh, Jolteon. I like that. Always a big fan of the Eevee Evos. Come on.
Why?
Why's the flash on?
Flash is off. Yeah.
Cotteen.
Glossary. Beldum. Slugma.
Wonder if you're going to get any rares.
I have no idea. I don't know what. Ah, Brittle.
I don't know what the drop rate for rares is on these. I know.
Nothing about Pokemon.
Can't.
And how many cards you got there?
10. This one, which is the shiny looking one. Jolteon's the only one I care about that. I always go for the EV Evos.
Sort them out so you know where we got doubles.
I don't know what these are. What we got? Spooper. Looks
Yeah. Another one I always go for whenever I play the games.
I recognise that one.
Oh, this is a very interesting one.
Is it?
A Grumpig, look at the artwork on that. It's like it's hand drawn.
I don't know about worth for anything.
No, no, I don't really care about worth. I just like looking at pretty artwork. Shiny Steelix.
Ooh.
Steelix is another mainstay on all my team. Got a trainer. So far I've got 3 of my main team that I play in every single game.
What, in one pack?
Bronzel. Yeah,
Wow.
2 packs, yeah.
I have 2 packs.
Got a Salandit. A Gilgar.
Classic from the anime.
Baltoy. Electabuzz. He's always on my second team. I'm sure. Oh, there we go. There we go. We got
Swordwood and Shieldlet, who you fight several times in the Sword and Shield game.
a Carnivine.
One of James's Pokemon from the anime.
So you're going to go to the shop and play these, or what?
Nah, I don't go. I literally.
What's the point of getting them then? Who are you going to play again?
I don't have time to play.
I just like the pretty pictures. Lurantis.
I've never seen that one before. I mean, there is over 1,000 different Pokemon now, so.
Wow.
That's insane. Nice. An Onyx.
The pre-Evo to steal it.
Don't mean anything to me, to be honest.
Lickitung.
Yeah.
I was going to make a joke, but this is a PG-13 channel.
Cherubi.
Yeah, I know. Oh, so some of them I do know.
Yeah, well, you probably know the original.
150 or whatever it was.
Yeah.
Horsey.
I have 2 shiny of him on Pokemon Scarlet. Murkrow.
So was that 30 cards you've had so far?
Yeah.
Right, yeah. Another Gonzo.
Was that the same one?
No, I just got Bonzo earlier. I think.
That's what I mean. Is it the same cards you got already?
Yeah. So Bonzo's always welcome. Need some water.
Right, so you get a rough idea. So, like, he's got. How many packs he's got left still to do?
A lot. About 16.
So 160 cards.
Yeah. Well, I've done 30 so far.
Yeah. So that's Michael's Pokemon balls, and seems quite good value.
Yeah.
That's how much they really cost. But
There's another version of this you can get where it's instead of the Ultra Ball you get a Premier Ball.
oh right.
I don't know what the difference is. Nor do I particularly care.
So anyway, thanks for watching. Please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing.
Shuckle.
We might do a follow-up video of any cards of interest once he's worked out.
Charabug.
So thanks for watching, and we shall see you in the next video. Bye for now.